What is going on, guys? It's Fox, and in today's video tutorial we're going to be updating Atmosphere. First things first, go in the download description and download my repack. Just to let you know, if you have a pkg1 HOS problem, this pack will also fix that problem. What we're going to be doing first is we're going to update our loader. That's the loader to get into hekate. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and extract the pack. After that's extracted, I want you to open it up. Okay, do you see this file right here? I want you to right click and press copy. Then go into this folder, atmosphere_hekate. Open this up, and I want you to delete that. Please bear in mind, if you don't have a micro data cable, your loader will not connect to the computer. I'm pretty sure you can use the old hekate to boot into hekate, and as long as you're using my pack, with this being on the root of your SD card, it will automatically show the newest version of hekate. So what I want you to do now is I want you to eject your loader and put your SD card into the PC, and we're going to update our files. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to manually delete the folders here. Please keep in mind your folders are going to look different than mine. These are the folders that you want to keep here. These folders, like I said, everybody's folder structure is going to look different on the SD cards. We're not going to copy and paste and override. That's causing a problem with files, and we're getting weird error codes. So we're just going to paste on new files. So select your old files that you don't want anymore. Your old files here, and we're just going to be careful that you're not inside of a folder and delete something. Okay, now that the files are selected, we're just going to press delete. So go ahead and delete the files. Okay, now that your files are deleted, we're just going to copy them. It shouldn't ask you if you want to override. If it's going to ask you, do you want to override, then you didn't delete something correctly. So just bear that in mind. You need all fresh new files so it don't run into any problems. I'll be back when this is done. Okay, go ahead and safely remove your SD card from the computer, and I'll meet you back on the system. Go ahead and press on the launch section. Go ahead and press P offline. That's for your eMMC, and it will boot up. And now I'm going to show you how to update via offline. As you can see, we're on the latest build of Atmosphere is 19.0.1 is our firmware, and the 1.9.0 is the latest version of Atmosphere that just came out the other day. This is the pre-release. This is not the alpha pre-release that I did a couple of days ago. This is the actual official pre-release. And remember, E means emunand and S means stock NAND. So now we're going to go and run Daybreak. So I'll be back in a second. Obviously I can't show it. Just open up the album, and that will put you into the homebrew menu. Okay, so just press A on the icon that says gallery. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to run Daybreak. Press install. This is the firmware that we want to upgrade to. That's the latest firmware as of recently. Press continue. Preserve settings. Install FAT32 plus exFAT. Press continue. I'll be back when this is done. I'm just going to go ahead and press reboot. You can do that or shut down, whichever you prefer. Go ahead and press on launch. Press P offline. Let that boot up. Just giving you guys a heads up, it sat on the logo screen, which I can't show, for about a solid minute. Let it do its thing and let it sit on the logo screen. And I did a it freshly turned on with no problems or whatever. And just let it sit for a minute. It actually took exactly 1 minute. It just sat on the logo screen for 1 minute, and it booted right in. So now we're going to go check our firmware. And as you can see, we're on the latest firmware is 20.0.1, and the latest build of Atmosphere pre-release, which is 1.9.0. E means emunand and S means stock NAND. I installed the files. That's working. Your favorite application's working. Yeah, everything's working. You don't have to worry about, oh, does it come with this? Does your pack come with this? Does it come with that? Does it come with this? Everything's working fine. So all your files will run without an issue. You won't get any black screens that says this title cannot be read or whatever. Everything's working fine. If you're wondering, is it okay to come from the pre-alpha release to this release? That's up to you. This is more stable. There's been more fixes to this, so I highly recommend updating it. Like I said, to each his own. Definitely go from the pre-alpha release to the official public pre-release. That's it for the video, guys. Like and subscribe to the Fox, and if you have any questions or whatever, put them in the comment section. I really don't comment on videos just because with being so busy at work and just so much stuff going on. But I'll try to comment if I'm able to. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe to Foxden. The repack's in the description. If I have time, I will also put in the comment section too. I'll catch you later. Have an awesome night.